Hi guys, so today we are going to do a very easy eyebrows. We are using a comb, that shade, that curve of the comb, and we fill the eyebrow. Then if you don't have a brush, you can use a toothbrush. Like if you don't have an eyebrow brush or a spoolie, use a toothbrush just to blend. Right now I'm using a flat brush and a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. This concealer is not like too whitish, but it's almost like my foundation. So if you don't have concealer, you can use a foundation just to clean your eyebrows, but the foundation is very good to clean the top brows, as the concealer helps to highlight. So I'm just using the beauty blender just to smoothen the concealer, but not taking it out. Guys, you would like to try this, follow, subscribe.